welcome to the Haven Crochet and Craft YouTube channel. In today's video, this is actually video 4 of a 5-part series, and today we're going to be talking about how to do pattern row 3 in the arcade stitch. The arcade stitch has 5 different steps, 4 of which get repeated over and over again the whole length of your piece. We are also in the process of learning how to make the arcade scarf, Night at the Arcade scarf, which is a free pattern on my blog. Now in today's video, again, as I mentioned, we're going to be doing pattern row 3. So the very first thing you will do for pattern row 3 is to chain 3. All right, now turn your work. Now this chain is actually going to be part of the very first double crochet. So we have 3 more double crochets that we're going to do into this chain space. So there's 1, 2 and 3. Okay, then you're going to skip this next stitch and single crochet into the second stitch. All right, now this next chain space is going to have 7 double crochets in it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost there, 6, and 7. Okay, now we're toward the end of our row here. We're going to skip this stitch and single crochet into that second stitch, just like we've been doing all along. And then we have 1 chain space left, and it is smaller. If you remember in the beginning of our row, we did 3 double crochets, but our chain counted as one of them. So in this last stitch, what you'll do is double crochet 4 double crochets into the chain space. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, and that is it. You have now completed pattern row 3 of the arcade stitch. We have 1 video left, 1 lesson left, and that is going to be pattern row 4, and then you'll be done. You'll have all the tools you need to continue on and make the Night at the Arcade scarf. If you learned a lot and would like to see more videos like this one, please go ahead and click subscribe and consider giving this video a thumbs up as well. Thank you so much for watching.